Purple succulents, 10 vibrant additions to your collection. Succulents are a popular form of plant that has grown in popularity in recent years. One of the most popular colors for succulents is purple. Echeveria pearl von Nurnberg. Greptopetalum amethystinum. Sedum purple emperor. Aeonium Zwartkopf. Tradescantia pallida. Graptivaria devi. Echeveria black prince. Pachyphytum oviparum. Echeveria purple pearl. Aloe vera purple haze. Purple succulents are a stunning addition to any plant collection, and these 10 varieties are some of the best. Whether you are looking for a trailing plant or a rosette-shaped succulent, there is a purple succulent for everyone. Please visit asucculent.com to read more.